In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to project stuff on your wall using this app called HoloFlash, which I'm going to show you guys how to download so this actually works, and it's super cool. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So I don't really know where it is right now, but I can try to find it for you guys. They broke the search bar on phones, so you can't actually search stuff up anymore. But as you can see, I got HoloFlash right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So the first step is to go to this website called ZoomMods. Once you're there, guys, go to the search bar and type in HoloFlash. As you can see, it should come up, and if it doesn't, we need to type in Projector. So let's try that. So I'm just going to type in, and my phone's frozen, guys, completely frozen. So let me just restart it, or restart the, I guess we gotta restart the browser. So I restarted the browser, and now we're just going to type in Projector. So as you can see, it should come up, and there it is. Oh wait, there it is, Projector Mod. Okay, so when you press on this, it should download. You're going to be all set. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. I'll see you in another video. Subscribe. It's really cool. And if you need it, then you're going to love it. So see you in another video. Subscribe to the channel. Pretty awesome. Fully works and everything like that. So hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So hope you enjoyed it. That's how you get a Projector app, formerly known as HoloFlash. So there you go. Be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. It's super cool, guys. Fully works. So I'll see you in another video. Subscribe to the channel. But yes, it's super awesome, and it's updated and everything. So hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So see you in another video.